back.
Now, on matters energy, petroleum dealers have threatened to stop the supply of fuel countrywide unless the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority hikes pump prices. The United Energy and Petroleum Association has noted that the current prices set by EPRA are not sustainable, saying that independent dealers are unable to access fuel, and where fuel is available, they are forced to purchase at almost pump price.
Basically, why you have seen the statement by some independent players looking for or petitioning EPRA to change the prices is because basically what is happening because of the price hiccups that we are, because of the supply hitch that we have, there is not enough product that the multinationals are able to give to us, the independent dealers. And one of the biggest reasons why they are not able to give to us as the independent dealer is because there was introduced a subsidy at the pricing of the 14. And so they are not able to sell, because subsidy basically means sell at a loss, the government will compensate that loss. So that did not put in place what we call the wholesale capping. Wholesale capping is the price the multinationals sell to the independent petroleum dealers.